You are not behind because you lack talent or luck. You are behind because your habits decide for you. Right now, while you listen, your future self is being shaped by what you repeat every single day. This is not inspiration. This is a mirror, and you already know what it is showing you. If nothing changes after this, then this moment was wasted, and time will not forgive that. The glow up you want is not a look, not money, not confidence. It is structure and daily action. Women who glow up mentally and financially do not wait for motivation. They move without it. They do not rely on mood, energy, or perfect timing. They rely on habits that run on command. Let us talk about those habits, not as ideas, but as actions you either live or keep avoiding. The first habit is ruthless clarity about how your time is actually spent every single day. You feel busy, right? But busy is not productive, and most of your hours leak without resistance. You scroll, you delay, you tell yourself tomorrow, and tomorrow quietly becomes your lifestyle. Women who rise track their time mentally. They notice when comfort starts stealing minutes. They cut activities that numb them, even when it feels lonely, boring, or socially awkward. The second habit is starting the day with a decision, not with a phone or emotional noise. You wake up and choose one priority that moves your mind or money forward. Just one. Not 10 goals, not vague plans, one action that proves you are in control today. Most people wake up reactive, responding to messages, news, and other people's agendas. That trains you to be led instead of leading, and over time, that kills self-respect. The third habit is doing difficult things early, before comfort has time to argue with you. Discipline is not heroic. It is simply acting before your mind invents excuses to stop you. You already know which task you avoid, and avoiding it costs more than doing it ever will. Women who grow choose discomfort on purpose, because comfort has never built anything. The fourth habit is separating feelings from actions, even when emotions feel overwhelming. You feel tired, unmotivated, unsure, and yet you act anyway, calmly and without drama. Most people wait to feel ready, but readiness is a reward for action, not a requirement. When you act despite emotion, your identity starts to shift quietly but permanently. The fifth habit is consuming information slowly and applying it aggressively the same day. You do not need more content, advice, or videos. You need execution and repetition. Knowledge without action becomes another way to feel productive while staying the same. Women who glow up apply one idea until it becomes automatic before chasing another. The sixth habit is protecting focus like it is money, because focus creates money. Distractions are not accidents. They are choices you allow because they feel easy. Every notification you answer trains your brain to be interrupted and fragmented. Strong women design environments that make bad choices harder and good choices simple. The seventh habit is respecting money as a system, not as something emotional or random. You track spending, you plan saving, you invest slowly, and you stop avoiding numbers. Avoidance does not protect you. It keeps you dependent and unsure about your future. Financial confidence grows when you face reality instead of hiding from it. The eighth habit is choosing discipline over validation, especially from people close to you. You do not explain your goals. You do not seek approval. You let results speak later. Trying to be liked while trying to grow will tear you in half every time. Women who rise accept temporary misunderstanding instead of permanent regret. The ninth habit is repetition without excitement, doing the same basics even when bored. Growth is not exciting most days. It is quiet, lonely, and repetitive by nature. You become powerful by showing up when nothing feels rewarding yet. This is how identity is forged, not through big moments, but through boring consistency. The 10th habit is self-trust built through promises kept, not promises spoken. Every time you say you will act and do not, your confidence quietly erodes. Every time you follow through, even imperfectly, you rebuild trust with yourself. This trust is the foundation of mental strength and financial independence. Now, let us be honest about the real problem standing in your way right now. It is not lack of resources, education, or opportunity. It is tolerance for delay. You tolerate wasted time, half effort, and distractions because the cost feels distant. But the cost is not distant. It is charged daily in lost confidence and direction. You already feel it, that quiet frustration when days blur and progress feels invisible. That feeling grows when you keep negotiating with comfort instead of choosing action. No one is coming to rescue you from routines you refuse to change. Your past may explain you, but it does not excuse what you repeat today. Responsibility is heavy, but avoiding it is heavier, and you feel that weight already. Discipline is not punishment. It is relief from the chaos you secretly tolerate. When you decide to act daily, anxiety shrinks because direction replaces confusion. Identity is not something you discover. It is something you build through behavior. Each habit you repeat votes for the woman you are becoming without asking permission. You do not need a perfect plan. You need a non-negotiable daily structure. Small actions done daily will outperform rare bursts of motivation every time. You either design your days or your days design you without mercy. This moment is not special because of the words you hear, but because of your choice. If you finish this and return to old patterns, nothing changes, and you know that. There is no better time later, no version of you that magically becomes disciplined. The woman you want to be is built by what you do in the next 24 hours. So choose one habit from this and act today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Do it imperfectly. Do it quietly. Do it without waiting to feel ready, because every delay teaches your brain that comfort is in charge, not you. If you do not start now, the pattern continues, and years disappear the same way. This is the line between who you are and who you keep saying you will become. Step over it now, because hesitation is how dreams slowly expire without noise.